Welcome to Team 537's Robo recap for the 2018 Mini Regional Invitational and Open House. The 2018 Mini Regional event took place on Sunday, February 18th at Hamilton High School. The total number of 25 teams registered to participate in the 16th annual event fell to around 1,300 spectators. Team 537 both hosted and provided nearly all of the operations staff and volunteers. Students and mentors of the team worked in a variety of roles in order to make the Charger Robotics Mini Regional have the look and feel of a real FRC competition. To run down the many aspects of hosting and operating our Mini Regional event, we spoke with Josie Jokey, Caitlin Bowles, Juliana Rukowski, and Aubrey White.
I helped with field reset and gatekeeping as well as all the other course members. We also helped with setup and takedown of the course the day before and right after the Mini Regional. We would stage the large components up and bring all the carts down closer so we don't have to lug it as far. It was mostly fixing the switches to make sure that they didn't move, like one robot rammed into it and it totally messed it up. And it would be making sure that the panels didn't move and the side rails, and then as well as making sure that the switches and the scale were level. I thought it ran very smoothly. We were efficient, fast, and it was a lot of fun and a good experience for all members that attended.
At this year's May Regional, I pretty much was event supervision, so I helped out wherever we needed it. I coordinated people to make sure that they were all in their job positions and that everyone in each position knew what they were doing exactly. I coordinated the robot, just overall in general, interacting with various different teams, kind of hopping around here and there, helping out where needed. I also did a VIP tour with Representative Nayland. So during the VIP tour, it was Representative Adam Nayland and his wife and his daughter Poppy. So we basically toured them around the whole entire facilities of the May Regional and our personal facilities. So we took them into the cafeteria area, we showed them VEX spots and how we use them as an educational tool, specifically with our summer school program, and also bringing them to Summerfest and other various demos for younger children to drive around. We showed them the animation game that we make. We also showed them the FLL team, had them explain this year's game challenge to them for theirs, that they're going to be going to state soon. We showed them the course and explained it to them, explained this year's game challenge, what the different robots were doing, and talked about all kind of what really goes into the game for each year. We talked about funding for each team, specifically because Representative Nayland has worked very well with that. He's helped pass grants that have funded a lot of new robotics teams and have shared with him the effect that it's had on our team and other teams specifically. Then we showed him some various different other teams, took them back into the pit area. Then we toured the rest of our personal facilities, so we showed him through the wood shop, the metal shop, showed him some of the machines we use, our Project Lead the Way computer lab, then our garage space, and showed him really everything that goes into what we do. From my standpoint, the event ran very well. We had 26 teams in total at our May Regional this year. I love the May Regional event because it gives teams an opportunity to test their robot out on a full-scale field before they get to competition, so they can make some final tweaks in those last 2 days before they have to bag their robot. It was awesome. We were out on the field this year. We were testing some of our components. We were able to see some teams do some really cool stuff. It's always exciting to see the crowd interaction and the excitement that everyone has for first and in how quick of a time frame we're able to do it.
I worked at the kiddie corral along with the raffle tickets table. There are coloring books for the kids to draw in, and there is also a face paint option, and most kids choose the face paint because the books are intense.
My job at this year's mini regional was to walk around with a camera and gather footage and pictures of all the various aspects and the different things that our team was providing during this event, such as the Kitty Corral and Vex robots. I think the event ran overall very well.
As build season ended, we move into competition season. Team 537 will compete in the Wisconsin Regional in Milwaukee from March 22nd through 24th, and the Seven Rivers Regional from April 5th to the 7th. If you would like to learn more about Charger Robotics and First Robotics competition, visit team537.org. There you can see build season updates, check out our social media feeds, see what we do in our community, and discover many other resources. For all this and more, visit team537.org. Thanks for joining us for this summary of the Mini Regional Invitational and Open House event. Tune in next week for Team 537 Robo Recap.